Hi, I'm Bry Cox, BryCoxWORKSHOPS.com. Got with me my friend.
I'm Bryan Welsh, and I'm a commercial portrait photographer up in Hillsboro, Oregon.
So we're here in the studio today. Why? Because he was just in town and we did a really intensive one-day workshop on the business of photography. And we thought, hey, while you're in town, while we're in the studio, let's make a video on some of these key concepts that we thought were really helpful to photographers. So
yeah, yesterday I kind of started out with this entrepreneurial mindset.
yeah.
And one of the ways that I look at it is it's not just about being a good photographer. It's really about being a good business owner, being able to think entrepreneurial, have some campaigns running in the community, business development.
Yep.
And so one of the things that I really enjoy communicating to photographers is running a campaign or having an idea or something that's ongoing. And you and I both joke about this. So not just having one thing, but maybe 5 things going, because some things will be working well.
Yep.
Other things will be scaling up. And so you can't just have one thing going. But the main thing for me is things in my community that bring the level of business and thriving in my community up across the board. And so my community partners with me and actually drives business my way.
Yeah.
And it's, I think, a fresh way to think of things. And so I was really excited to share that yesterday.
Yeah, one of the things that he's exceptionally good at is seeing opportunities in the community, being able to approach people, present these things, and in effect help them. And while in the meantime, they're helping you. And that's just awesome. And then he's attracting all the right kind of clients and getting great work. And so it's really great stuff that I think photographers could be using really anywhere in the country.
Thank you. Yeah. One of the things that I learned a long time ago from my dad, so I'm a second generation photographer, and he built his business pre-Facebook days, pre-social media days. We were at lunch and Bryan mentioned, oh, that's a cute girl over there. And it just reminded me, my dad had a business card and could go talk to the mom and generate a session out of it. And getting back to principles and basics and doing business with people, not just with the internet. All of those things we kind of talked about and unpacked. And like you mentioned, we're always teaching. And so hopefully you come to either one of our workshops that we do together. We're kind of playing around with some 1, 2, or 3 day workshops in the future.
Yeah, just on business.
Exactly. Yeah. And then you've always got on BryCoxWORKSHOPS.com great videos. So we're excited to share these ideas. Absolutely.
So come see either us together, if we happen to be in your state, even individually something, come see us. Of course, my website's my name, BryCoxWORKSHOPS.com, and check out either one of our social media channels as well for upcoming events.
Awesome.
All right, you guys. Thanks. And until next time, America.
Take care.